This is the United States Armed Forces Memorial. This monument was built in honor of men and women who've lost their lives in the line of duty. The Aggies Against AIDS Club meets every Thursday at 7 p.m. in the Sebastian Health Center. While you bundle up this season, don't forget about those who are less fortunate. Welcome to the 2009 North Carolina A&T State University Homecoming Parade. I'm your host, Tiffany Vann.
And I'm Erica Bazemore.
Did you know that every 31 minutes someone dies because of a drunk driver? More than 17,000 people are victims of drunk driving every year. And what's worse is that 1,800 of those drunk drivers are young adults between the ages of 16 and 20 years old. So if you know you're going to be drinking when you go out, make sure you bring art. You know, a designated friend who's able to drive, responsible, and most importantly, trustworthy. When you bring a designated driver along with you, you can save your life and the lives of others from injuries and even death. So if you decide to drink, make sure you think. Be smart and bring art. Cardio, weightlifting, and active sports. Sure, they're all great ways to keep the body fit and stay in shape. But for many, it's easier said than done. Some might say losing just 10 pounds can be a big task, and losing it all before homecoming brings on the pressure. Ronaldo Walters is a floor trainer at North Carolina A&T's Fitness Center. He says the key to losing 10 pounds before homecoming is discipline and the proper diet.
Your diet, lots of water. People think that because you're working out, you're not supposed to eat, but it's very important that you maintain your diet. You have a balanced diet and drink lots of water.
It's time to step it up. Whether you want to tone, tighten, or shed 10 pounds before homecoming, there's an effective and a healthy method, especially for you.
I come 6 days a week because I want to be in shape. It feels good. It promotes healthy living. I can function better throughout the day, and it just feels good.
No matter the goal, if you want to be in shape and lose weight before homecoming, just follow the blue and gold road to a healthy success. It's going on more now than ever. More youth are sexually active. A few know the important things to do involving STD and HIV/AIDS prevention. However, a larger number are in the dark about the do's and don'ts surrounding this hot topic. But as Tiffany Vann reports, Greensboro's youth says that knowing the status of one's health is beautiful.
I think that it's imperative. It's very important. I just think that anybody that's sexually active or even dealing with somebody that is sexually active and even like drug usage or anything, if you're doing any of that, then you should be tested just regularly, just to know.
Across the United States of America, the issue of STDs and HIV/AIDS has raised red flags to every gender and race. The African American community has always been a demographic that's hit hard by STDs and HIV/AIDS. African American youth represent 65% of HIV/AIDS cases in American youth ages 13 to 19.
Not everybody knows if they got the disease or not, and they shouldn't be going around having sex, not aware, and then passing it on, and then when everybody finds out, it's too late.
Janice Lattimore is the coordinator for Aggies Against AIDS, which is a student-based organization dedicated to HIV/AIDS awareness and prevention at North Carolina A&T. She says that with this organization, students are taking it upon themselves to combat the disease, taking their demographic by storm.
I think they're highly visible, and they have helped to make students more aware of the dangers of HIV/AIDS, also to educate them, to make it to allow it to be a subject that we just continue to talk about, and make it a university where we're just continue to share information about this important disease.
The Aggies Against AIDS Club meets every Thursday at 7 p.m. in the Sebastian Health Center at North Carolina A&T. If you'd like more information, you can stop by the Sebastian Health Center, where they have an array of pamphlets on AIDS awareness and STDs. Or you can give them a call at 336-334-7880. In Greensboro, I'm Tiffany Vann. It's that time of the year. You know, the fall colors begin to appear. Trees lose their leaves and the air becomes crisp and cold. While you bundle up this season, don't forget about those who are less fortunate. Let's make sure every child doesn't go without a coat this season. You can help by simply donating a new or gently used coat for the children of Greensboro who are in need. Just simply stop by any Salvation Army to make your donation. You can make a difference. So what are you waiting for? Make your donation today and you'll be keeping a precious child warm in more ways than one.
And thank God for allowing you to see that Christmas is the time to share with the one you love. Share